Ambivision, that's the name of the background lighting that we present to you today at Technikbauer. That's something very special, and what it's all about, you'll find out in a moment. Background lighting is becoming more and more popular with a lot of viewers. There are some manufacturers out there who are just retrofitting it. But we have Ambivision Pro here, and in my opinion it is one of the best and one of the most accurate. And that's what we want to present to you today. And at the end of the video, we will answer all the important questions here. What does it all take and what are the requirements? Let's take a look at what is included here. What is in the scope of delivery and what do we need here? So first we have the central control unit here, our camera that measures the whole thing. The great thing is that this camera can stand up to 5 meters next to the TV, so not directly next to the TV. Then we have the control unit that is attached to the TV on the back. We'll show you all that when we start the installation. So the control unit is included. Next we have the LED strips here. These are available in different sizes. The whole thing up to 120 inches. So from 26 inches to 120 inches. Everything is possible here. And so you can retrofit every TV. Then we have different power supplies here. Of course, these should not be missing either. Here we have the power supply for our camera. And what we still have here is the power supply for the control unit. For the whole thing that is glued on the back of the TV. Then we have the power cable. This is also included so that we can then take it into operation. And last but not least, we have 2 cable ties here. So that we can attach the cables to the TV. So there are 2 cable ties. Then the adhesive strips so that we can attach the cable ties to the whole thing. And what is also very important, we have these clamps here. And here the transition with the control unit is fixed. But as I said, we'll show you all of that at the end. And here again in the quick run through of the packaging content. It's all there. And we can actually get started with the installation. And we are already at the installation. And now we will attach the LED strips to the TV. Please note that the TV should be grease-free and dust-free. Otherwise, the LED strips will not hold very well. We start here in the corner and will then do that over the entire TV. We'll get started now. And start down here. Loosen the adhesive strip. And we will slowly, piece by piece, glue that to the edge of our TV. I have a Samsung here, as you can see. This one has grooves on the back. And you have to press a little harder there. Otherwise, the adhesive strips will not hold. In this corner, you make a crease, as you can see here. So that the whole thing is elegantly solved. Make sure that you don't make too many creases. But as I said, here you have the crease again, as the whole thing should look like. Drip piece by piece. And it's best if you always make small pieces and not a big one all of a sudden. Here you have it again, as the whole thing should look like in the corner. Just fold it over and then glue it all the way down. So here we are already at the bottom, now on the underside. Here, too, you can see how I solved the crease here. Right down in the corner. Just press again. The whole thing should not stick or dissolve. Just press again, as I said. And up here you can see how I solved the whole thing. Now pinch off what is above. Exactly in the middle of the board. And then we have the plug here. This is what the whole thing looks like. All around, all glued. And now you can see here again how I solved the crease here. Or how I bent it around the corner. Everything looks very, very good. And what we do next is just plug the plug in here. Pay attention to the pole, as the whole thing is to be plugged in here. It is described here. And just push it in. Close the whole thing. And you don't have to do more. I'm gluing it back now. I attached it at the top, as you can see, with the glue hooks. Finally, the cable tie over it. Then the whole thing looks like this. And now just glue the control unit on it. And that's it, we can get started. Everything connected. Power supply, everything connected here. I put the lens here in front of the device, so that I can calibrate it for the first time. You can put it up to 5 meters away. So after that you can position it wherever you want. We turned on the TV. And automatically our screen came here. Now of course we still have to calibrate the whole thing. And after everything has been calibrated, it's time to test the whole thing. Let's take a look at the whole thing. Of course, you still have to adjust everything here. The accuracy, how fast the whole thing should react. But I don't think I have to say more. You see the result yourself. It just looks awesome. Looks sensational. And the whole thing is still very, very fast. Of course, we will link you where you can buy the whole thing. The cool thing is, there is also a support here. I chatted with the support by Skype. And he goes through everything with you step by step. What you have to do. And then we also have such a result. And now we come to the most important questions. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel. Then you're always up to date. Technicbau says thank you for watching and goodbye.
Auf Wiedersehen.